Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I want to show you quickly how I created this countertop schedule to have two rows, if you will, and these are separate schedules. So let's get started right here. I'm going to delete that, and what I did was I started with a cabinet schedule, and I'm going to open this up and first of all, let me show you here. Cabinet schedule, and I'm going to uncheck cabinets and swap rows columns, and I'm going to add the 2D symbol. First, I'm going to select the number and add, because that when I select number and add, it adds the 2D symbol below number instead of at the bottom of the list. So I only have to move up one time and click OK. Now, let me back up because I've already done something to figure this out, and there we go. I'm going to unselect group similar objects. There we go. I've got 8 cabinets with with countertops. I've got a custom cabinet that I have, a custom countertop that's not appearing yet, but I want to show you what I did. I'm going to select all of these cabinets, and I'm going to create a custom countertop for them. Then I'm going to select some of those countertops and open that up, and in the schedule, so I've selected just the countertops. I'm not going to choose auto schedule. I'm going to uncheck the countertops, and I've created 2 custom categories called CTOP1 and CTOP2. So half of them will go on CTOP1, and the other half, including this custom one here, custom shape one, I'm going to open that up, and we're going to include as CTOP2. Well, this schedule has nothing to show anymore because it's only showing countertops. So we're going to do CTOP1. I'm going to copy this down, open that up. I'm going to uncheck the display the title, and down here in custom, I'm going to uncheck CTOP1 and check CTOP2. And there you have it. If you've got wild widths, you can certainly match those if you wish. There. And there is your duplicated cabinet countertop schedules. Hope that helps. I'm Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Have a great week.